What's up YouTube, it's Eric Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman, bringing you guys another video. Today we're taking a look at two battery packs from Momax. Huge shout out to Momax for sending these out to me to support the channel. I really appreciate it. But before we get going, I want to remind you guys, I have all my social media down below. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, make sure you check me out. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And if you got any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll make sure to get back to you. But without further ado, let's talk tech. And first up, we got the Momax Q Power Touch. This is an interesting battery pack because this is one of the few that I've seen that not only has Type-C input for charging the battery pack itself, but it also has lightning. All right, so you see all the iPhone, iPad, iPod friendly stuff right there. It does power delivery 3.0, a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack, and the price on this guy is right now on sale on Amazon for 29 bucks. All right, so like it says right here, lightning cable to charge your power bank and iPhone. So you take your lightning cable as an iPhone user, put it in your bag, and you can charge your phone. You also turn around and charge up your battery pack. All right, that seems to be pretty cool. Going around the box, this is nice packaging. Got the little peek window here. On the back, they kind of give you an overview of everything you can do. Charge up all your devices, whether it's USB-C or lightning. It also has wireless charging on it. And for 10 watts, wireless charging for Android and iOS, which is pretty cool. Like I said, 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity on this guy. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Okay, that is it. Everything is in this little plastic deal here. Let's set that off to the side. Right there. All right, so everything is in this little plastic, little two-piece deal. You have an accessory pouch. Take a look at that and see what's in here. So we got a little plastic baggie, and because this charges USB-C and Type-C, Lightning and Type-C, I was curious which cable they would include, and it is a Type-C super small little jumper cable. This is like a couple of inches. And you got some books and stuff, We're not here for that. All right, so this battery pack. So first off, 10,000 milliamp hour battery. This feels very nice. All right, I thought this one would feel cheaper than it does. It looks woven, but this actually doesn't feel like cloth. It feels more like, if you can hear that. Yeah, it feels more like a textured kind of polycarbonate, or not quite rubber. It's kind of weird. Let's take a look around it. Around the bottom, you can see there we have our full-size USB-A, Type-C in the middle, and lightning port over to the right. On the right side, there's actually a little power button, it looks like, that we can click. And there's some LEDs on the left side, gives you a battery charge status. Up top, there's nothing. Obviously on the front, you have that nice little wireless indicator there. Get some of this stuff out the way. Yeah, and on the back side, you just have all of the charging information. If you care to get down into the nitty gritty of the power supply, input and output, there you go. All the standards: Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, power delivery 3.0, lightning, USB-C, power delivery, quick charge 3.0 output, all that good stuff. And now we'll get down to the most important thing: does it work? My Z Fold 4. All right, so it says with fast charging, I'm at 86%, says 23 minutes until full, as you can see there. So it does the most important thing, which is actually wireless charge. The wire charging, we know that'll work. It's the wireless that really makes this guy stand out. Like I said, this is on sale on Amazon for 29 bucks. But let's go ahead and move on to what I think is the most interesting charger that they have. This is the Q-Mag Power 5,000 milliamp hour magnetic wireless battery pack with built-in stand and an IP rating. This guy makes me want to get an iPhone just to be able to fully utilize it. All right, so the pricing on this one, let's see. So if we go to Amazon, like I said, they have a bunch of different chargers and style chargers and things like that. This guy is 46 bucks. All right, the magnetic wireless charger. It's transparent. Let's get into this guy. Hopefully the struggle bus isn't as strong on this one, but I think it's gonna be. Yeah, you're definitely not getting into this guy. Oh. Or we could just take the easy route. We'll do that. As much as I like to struggle opening stuff, we'll go ahead and take this route. All right, boom, so another plastic deal here. Take this stuff out. All right, so you got books and stuff in the bottom down there. You have another Type-C charger here. This actually is a better length cable, and it is USB-C to USB-C, not USB-A to USB-C. And star of the show, look at this. This looks super dope as a charger. Like I said, this makes me want to get an iPhone just to be able to use this guy. Man, this dope. Let me get real close in there. I don't know about y'all, but this is screaming thumbnail right here. It's getting really close in the coils. You see the, now I don't know if this is done, this stuff is all functional. I assume the magnetic coil and the magnets for the MagSafe connection are real, but as far as like all the capacitors and the other chips, I don't know if they're actually functional like that or not. That'd be dope because they're actually laid out pretty neatly. But let's go ahead and take another tour around this guy. So on this right side, we have a Type-C port here. Up top, there's nothing. On the left side, nothing. On the bottom, there's just a little power button. And this guy, it's kind of interesting. It has 3 lights lit up, but also it flashed red. I'm not sure what that means. And then on the back here, you have the kickstand. So let's see. Oh, okay, so it's pretty simple. Just kind of pops up like that. And now you're able to, if you have an iPhone, sit this guy up, slap your iPhone on here. The iPhone stays on magnetically and also charges. So that's pretty cool. But this is a regular charger as well, or should be. So I should be able to take my Galaxy Z Fold 4, plop it on here, and should be able to get some charge action going, if I'm not mistaken. All right. Okay, so I got to get everything lined up right. Obviously, this is designed specifically for an iPhone. So once you slap on the back of an iPhone, it'll start charging immediately because it'll automatically line up where it's supposed to be. Like I said, this is dope. This is cool. Shout out to Momax. I've never seen anything like this. I don't see anybody else offering something like this. But like I said, this guy is 45 bucks on Amazon. I have links in the description below. They are affiliate links, so I will get a little bit of kickback. But if you want to check these out, I mean, the build quality, this guy is metal. Like I said, this is one of the few battery packs I've seen that actually has an IP rating. This one has an IP rating of 108. I have no idea what 108 is. I'm used to the IPX something rating. I'm not, to be honest, I'm not even sure if that is an actual IP rating. Maybe that's a model number. We're gonna go with that's a model number because IP rating on a battery pack sounds super different. All right, scratch the IP rating. We're gonna say that's a model number. All right, but even outside of that, this is just a super dope looking piece of tech. All right, but until next time, I'll talk to you guys. Peace.